The Kicker CompRT 10, a speaker system designed to deliver uncompromising sound quality and compact design. But here's what surprised me: its incredible performance at an affordable price point has left many audiophiles scratching their heads. /N. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into the details of this remarkable speaker system. The Kicker CompRT 10 boasts a unique combination of compact size and high-end sound capabilities. /N. It features an RMS power handling of up to 100 watts per channel, providing more than enough juice to bring your music to life. But what really sets it apart is its ability to seamlessly integrate into any home theater setup. /N. There's no need for a separate subwoofer. The CompRT 10 delivers a full-range sound experience that will leave you wondering how such power and clarity can come from something so small. /N. But I know what you're thinking: is this really worth the investment? Let me tell you, as someone who's spent countless hours researching and testing speaker systems, I've never been more impressed by a product in this price range. /N. The Kicker CompRT 10 has been praised for its sleek design and robust build quality. It's made from high-quality materials that not only look great but also provide exceptional durability. /N. But what really gets my blood pumping is the sound quality itself. The CompRT 10 delivers crystal-clear highs, tight bass response, and a mid-range that's both smooth and detailed. /N. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new speaker system or are simply looking to upgrade your home theater setup, I highly recommend giving this product serious consideration. /N. Now let's take a closer look at some of its key features. The Kicker CompRT 10 boasts a compact design that makes it easy to place anywhere in your room without taking up too much space. /N. However, don't let its size fool you. This speaker system packs a punch when it comes to sound quality and power handling. /N. There's also the added benefit of being able to connect multiple speakers together for an immersive surround sound experience. /N. But what about connectivity options? The Kicker CompRT 10 features a range of inputs including RCA, optical, and USB, making it easy to integrate into your existing home theater setup. /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a speaker system that can keep up with the latest technology while still delivering exceptional sound quality, look no further than the Kicker CompRT 10. /N. Now let's talk about some of its key specs. The Kicker CompRT 10 boasts an RMS power handling of up to 100 watts per channel and a frequency response range of 50 Hz to 20 kHz. /N. However, what really sets it apart is its ability to deliver an incredible 90 dB of SPL sound pressure level, making it perfect for large rooms or home theaters. /N. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some of the reviews from other users. On Amazon, the Kicker CompRT 10 has a near-perfect rating, with many users praising its incredible sound quality and ease of use. /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a speaker system that can deliver top-notch performance without breaking the bank, I highly recommend checking out the Kicker CompRT 10. /N. Now let's take a closer look at some of its pros and cons. On the plus side, the Kicker CompRT 10 boasts an incredible sound quality, compact design, and robust build quality. /N. However, on the downside, it does lack some advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity or voice control integration. /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a no-frills speaker system that delivers exceptional sound quality without any unnecessary bells and whistles, the Kicker CompRT 10 is definitely worth considering. /N. But what about price? The Kicker CompRT 10 may not be the cheapest option on the market, but its incredible performance and robust build quality make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about home theater or music listening. /N. Therefore, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. /N. The Kicker CompRT 10 is an exceptional speaker system that delivers uncompromising sound quality and compact design. If you're looking for a reliable option for your home theater or music listening needs, look no further than this incredible product. /N. For the best price, click the link in the description below to get yours today.